Hey guys, I am Dipendra from Fixing Port. Summers are already here and the temperature in Asian countries is always high. Especially talking about the South Asian countries, the temperature is increasing progressively every year. Oxygen is always needed for life, and the case is similar for air conditioners in summers. But air conditioners which are traditional are too much heavy and difficult to carry everywhere, and they require lots of electricity to be run. But especially talking about electricity, electric cut is a common phenomena in summers. So to solve this issue, Sony has launched wearable ACs, that is wearable air conditioners. So let's begin to talk about them. Sony has launched Reon Pocket, a wearable air conditioner. The Tokyo-based electronic company has launched this Reon Pocket. This new device keeps the user away from heat and sweat in summers and can also be used during chilly winters. The device is pretty compact and can be worn on the palm of your hand. The device can be used whenever you feel like to use it. But to get the maximum out of this device, Reon Pocket can be used with the innerwear. The innerwear has a pocket at a very unusual position. So to keep the users cool, Sony along with Reon Pocket also came up with a V-shaped inner shirt. This inner shirt has a pocket right between your shoulders, and the device can be kept in this pocket and can be controlled via your smartphone by downloading an application. Now this application comes both for iOS and Android devices. The device can be easily connected to iOS or Android devices via this application using Bluetooth. And you can also control temperature and also maintain different modes using this application and can enjoy the experience of your device. I hope that this device will help you in coming winters and summers. If our video helped you, then please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.